Great morning, everyone. Ninth class student, we are going to start the next topic, that is discovery of subatomic particles. So, firstly, you should know what are the subatomic particle inside the atom. Electron, protons, and neutrons are the subatomic particle. These three constitute the subatomic particle inside the atom. So, it who given their discovery means how they are discovered and by whom, in which year these subatomic particles are discovered. We are going to discuss this in this video. So, firstly, if I talk about electrons was discovered by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson was the name of scientist in 1900. In 1900, he discovered the presence of negative charge particle electrons in the atom. Atom में कुछ negative charge particle present है, they are called electrons. Now, E. Goldstein, the name of the scientist was E. Goldstein, in 1886 discovered new radiation in gas discharge and called them canal rays. Gas discharge tube में कुछ पॉजिटिव रेज एमिट हो रही थी. These positive rays को उसने क्या नाम दिया था? कैनाल रेज. These rays are positively charged. The later led to the discovery of positively charged particle called protons in the atom. Atom में जो positive charge particle present है, they are called protons. Next is in 1932, the name of the scientist was Chadwick. Chadwick discovered the presence of particle having no charge in the atom. Atom पर कोई भी charge नहीं है. They are called neutrons. That particles are called neutrons if they carry no charge. So now we are studying about detail in electrons. Now electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson. This was the scientist as shown in the picture. Electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electrons, what are electrons? Electrons are tiny negatively charged particles around the nucleus of the atom. एटम के न्यूक्लियस में कुछ स्मॉल नेगेटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट है. दे आर कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरी अ सिंगल फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म. कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर चार्ज कितना है? -1.602 इंटू 10⁻⁻19. दे कैरी दिस मच चार्ज. नाउ coulombs and has a mass कितना है? 9.109 इंटू 10⁻31 किलोग्राम. So from this slide you have to learn these two values. What is the charge on the electron? The charge value on the electron, this is the charge value in coulombs, and this is the mass value in kilogram. Next one is the mass value in kilogram. This. Next, the electron is one of the lightest particle with a known mass. इलेक्ट्रॉन का जो मास है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन नॉट स्प्लिट इनटू एनीथिंग स्मॉलर ऑल्सो. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डू नॉट. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को और ज़्यादा स्प्लिट नहीं किया जा सकता. दे आर वेरी स्मॉल. दे हैव real size but are instead true. Point in space, that is an electron, and has a radius of 0. इलेक्ट्रॉन का रेडियस कितना है? That is 0. Next, if we talk about the neutrons. Neutrons was discovered by Sir James Chadwick. This was the name of scientist who discovered about the neutrons. The neutrons is slightly heavier than a proton. जो न्यूट्रॉन का मास है वो प्रोटॉन से हैवियर होगा. दैट इज 1838 टाइम. 1838 टाइम जो है ये ज़्यादा हैवी होगा एज दैट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. 1838 times. It is heavier than that of electrons. Neutrons electrically neutral. Neutrons क्या है? वैसे neutral होते हैं. They carry no charge and they are the part of the nucleus of the atom. The neutron is about 10⁻⁻13 centimeter in diameter. इसका diameter value given है. And weight is very important. 1.6749 into 10⁻⁻27 kilogram is the mass of neutron. That is and mass should be in kilogram. These are the two important value to remember. What is the diameter of neutron and what is the mass of neutron. And neutron carry no charge. They are neutral and they are heavier than that of the proton as compared to the proton. Next, if we talk about the protons. Protons are also the subatomic particle present in the nucleus of the atom. Atoms are made up of extremely tiny particles called protons, neutrons and electrons. Proton and neutrons are in center of the atom. And atom के center में क्या present है? Proton and neutrons. Atom के center में protons and neutrons present है, making up the nucleus. Electrons round the nucleus और surrounding में electrons present है. Protons have a positive charge. Protons पर कौन सा charge है? Positive charge present है. Electrons have negative charge और electrons पर negative charge है. So now this is the table. In this table a comparison of electron, proton and neutron is given. Electron is symbolized by, electron को कैसे लिखते हैं? This is. Proton can be written as this and neutron no. Charge, इलेक्ट्रॉन पर चार्ज कितना है? -1. प्रोटॉन पर चार्ज कितना है? +1. न्यूट्रॉन कैरी नो चार्ज, दैट्स वाई दे आर न्यूट्रल. इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास कितना है? इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास इज 9.109 इंटू 10⁻⁻31 किलोग्राम. दिस इज द मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर. Next one is the mass of proton, 1.67 into 10⁻⁻27 kilogram. This one is the mass of proton. Next is the mass of neutron, 1.6749 into 10⁻⁻27 kilogram is the mass of neutron. So this can be taken up to 3 digit only, 9.10. This also 1.67. And this one also 1.67. It can be taken only up to 3 digit. And this value 10⁻⁻31 kilogram, 10⁻⁻27 kilogram, 10⁻⁻27 kilogram, very important to remember. So mass of the electron, proton and neutron should be learned very well. Further we will continue our topic in next video. Thank you.